Once upon a time, in a small village called Chandpur, there lived a little chicken named Pikoo. Pikoo was not an ordinary chicken because she always dreamed of doing something big and special. One day, she watched a superhero movie on TV and decided that she also wanted to become a hero. Pikoo made a funny costume from a red cloth and called herself Super Pikoo. She tried to fly, but fell down with a big thump, making everyone laugh. Suddenly, a clever fox entered the village, and all the chickens ran away, but Pikoo bravely stood in front of it. She made so much noise that the whole village woke up, and the fox ran away in fear. In the end, Pikoo became everyone's hero and showed that real superpower is not strength, but courage.